Hi, my name is Joanne Rosso. I am a unit secretary at Long Island Community Hospital.
My name is Salvatore Oliveri. I work at Long Island Community Hospital in the radiology department.
And this is our healthy living story. Being healthy allows me to be active, riding the bike, gardening, walking, seeing my grandkids play sports.
I love garage sales, and I love going to thrift stores, and I love treasure hunting. It's important for me to be healthy because I want to be with my family.
Everybody eventually faces weight because as you get older, the weight doesn't come off as easily.
I was overweight. I was a couch potato. I didn't feel good. My diabetes, I was getting like symptoms in my feet. I wanted to feel better. I wanted to look better.
Sal told me that we were going to be able to join WeightWatchers.
I've been a WeightWatchers member before, and it's like $45, $50 a month, and I couldn't afford it. So with this opportunity through $11.99, I just jumped on it.
What I like about WeightWatchers is that you have certain tools that you can use for measuring, the scanning, that you can see how much points things are worth.
I like that you could eat anything on the program.
When you go to somebody's house, you know that you could eat the chicken, you could bring a measuring cup and you can have a cup of rice. And the virtual meetings are great too. You need other people who understand weight gain, weight loss, and how to manage it, that you can bounce things off of them. I have been a little successful. I think I'm approaching 12 pounds.
Since January, I've lost 28 pounds.
And I have to say, I am not 100% every day.
I try to stay within my point range. Sometimes I fail. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I go over, but you could always kind of recoup that with your next meal. You don't always have to punish yourself and say you messed up and then give up. I was going down a path I did not like at all.
And here we are today, Weight Watcher members. And I'm so happy they did that for us.
Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it.